Welcome back to Backyard Range. The guy next to me is Ty.
Hello.
And I'm Emerson. Today we'll be shooting my 22 air rifle. We have hollow points and bullets that are extreme penetrator. We'll be shooting this gun,
The Luger.
the Luger, and a 1911. Plus, I don't know what this is based
AR
off.
pistol.
AR pistol that's, so I think it's a 6-round burst. And you put the CO2 back there. So we're first going to start by setting the target. So this right here, that right there is for the 22. The oh yeah, that's for the 22. That's for the pistols, and that's for that gun, the tablet. First, going to do pistol. So I'm going to stop this while we set up those two things.
All right, we are shooting the 1911 at a candle lid and another black lid.
I hit it. I hit the corner of it.
Good job.
Good job.
And I don't think you hit this one at all. And now we'll be shooting the AR pistol at a tablet all the way in the distance.
I hit it?
You might have.
I hit it.
All right. I think you're shooting the target now. The main target.
All right, let's go see the damage.
Let's go see.
Oh! Yeah, that's fucked.
Whoa. Language.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And it looks like it's still working. Hold on.
All right, get back. Get back.
Maybe not that close, though.
It's done. Yeah, I don't think that thing is.
Wait, hold on.
No, don't.
I want to
Don't touch that.
Yeah, there goes.
I want to watch that slow mo.
So now we are shooting a little bag of sand with extreme penetrator 22 air rifle rounds.
I don't know if I hit that. And now I'm hitting it with hollow points.
I think you hit it.
Hope that got the recordings to slow mo's.
Let's go see.
So I know we're talking about video and all that. It's our first time. Well, apparently it didn't stop recording. There are holes?
There are holes.
Are there holes on the back side?
I do not see any. That is quite interesting. Is the sand even coming out? Shit. I had my hands in the camera because I'm more focused on the sand. This is a messy first video, that's for sure. But hey, it's purple. Favorite color. Oh, there's your bullet holes.
There's one.
Yeah. It flattened out and everything.
There's another.
Focus. Yeah, there we go.
There's another. Oh, no, I don't think I'm going to save this. I do want to save this. Well, that's all the hits, I guess. That would make sense.
There's 3, but I think you fired 4 shots, so there's probably one still somewhere in there.
I don't feel it. So I guess I missed.
Possibly?
Apparently my aim kind of sucks.
There were 4 bullet holes, so I don't really know.
Yeah, there was 4.
And how many times did you shoot? I think you shot 4 times. 2 at the penetrators and 2 at the hollow points.
Still recording?
Yeah.
So he's gonna shoot at one of the either the yellow thing, the car, or the putty.
I think I'm going to take my revenge on the putty and hit what I think is a goat. Alright. Safety is off. Loaded with hollow points. Alright. Let's go see. So now
Here's
we
the
shot
putty.
our targets.
Went all the way through.
And this one I smacked, I think, right there. Looks like a fresh hit.
Yeah, there's a tiny dent.
Yeah, I went right for a headshot and I nailed it.
And then I'm gonna hit that car.
And if you want, so now we are going to do some quick shooting at the little car all the way over there. We're still loaded with hollow points. Ready?
You see?
So right now we are loading with the penetrators, and M is going to do a quick 2 shots. One at the car and one at the little goat figure. Hit. Another good hit. Let's go see the damages.
Here's the other thing.
There it is.
Where did I hit?
Possibly.
I think that's
right
my
there.
hit right there, actually.
In your car. Oh, there it is.
This car?
Car seems.
Yeah, I don't think that was really. I don't think they're driving it anymore.
Yeah, that's not drivable.
So he's gonna say something. Tyler's gonna say something.
So, this is our first video. Not the greatest, but why do you have an I-211 in your pocket, you moron? This is stuff I have to deal with. Anyways, this is our first video. And my name is Tyler. This is Emerson. And this has been Backyard Range. Thank you.
Thank you. Make sure you smack the subscribe button. Bye.